Native to Southeast Asia, it's a perennial tropical plant with beautiful and exotic flowers. The flowers look similar to a big lotus. Flowers bloom from the stalk with a cone-shaped head. The shape of the bloom and stalk closely resembles a torch, hence the common name torch ginger. The plant has many names like pink ginger lily, torch lily, wild ginger, and Philippine wax. It comes from the Zingiberaceae family. Well-known members of this family include ginger, turmeric and cardamom. Its characteristics are similar to other family members. Leaves are arranged alternately in two opposite vertical rows, with the stem formed by overlapping leaf sheaths. Flowers bloom throughout the year, sometimes up to a height of 6 feet on the stalk. It is monocarpic in nature, meaning flower stems die after flowering with new stems developing at the base. Torch ginger is available in many varieties based on its flower's color. Pink, red, and white varieties are common. Plant is better suited for the tropical climate. Plenty of water, heat, and humidity is required for it to thrive. It's better to plant it in moist soil with a partial shade protection, and a large area should be reserved for it to establish properly. We can propagate torch ginger plants easily through seed or by rhizome division. Time for flower blooms may vary with method adopted. With seeds it may take up to 2 or 3 years for bloom, and by division of rhizome may take up to a year. Its flowers are used in cuisines when their buds are somewhat closed and have a crisp texture. It has a bitter and acrid taste with citrus notes. It is extensively used in cuisines of Malay, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, and Indonesia. Gives spice and color to curries, fish soups, fried veggies and salads. Torch ginger flowers are good sources of fiber and contain antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, cytotoxic, antifungal, and anti-melanoma properties. The plant can be a welcome addition to any garden for its beautiful flowers, and studies indicate that it can be used as an ingredient in our dishes for its distinct taste as well as for its medicinal values.